Imagine you have a shop. It's your dream business, filled with products you believe in and are excited to share with the world. You want people to find it. You want them to walk through your doors, browse your offerings, and become loyal customers. You could put up a sign, a bright, eye-catching sign that tells everyone passing by that your shop is open for business. But what if you could put your sign directly in front of people who are already looking for what you sell? Imagine targeting those who are actively searching for your products. That's what PPC advertising does online. It places your ads in front of potential customers who are already interested in your offerings. It helps businesses connect with potential customers at the exact moment they are searching for products or services. This precision targeting ensures that your marketing efforts are efficient and effective. This makes it a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a small local shop or a large corporation, PPC can drive traffic and increase sales. As more and more businesses realize the power of online advertising, the demand for skilled PPC specialists continues to grow. These professionals are essential in crafting and managing successful campaigns. That's why becoming a PPC specialist in 2024 and beyond is not just a job, but a passport to a lucrative and fulfilling career. With the right skills, you can help businesses thrive and achieve your own professional success. What does it take to become a successful PPC specialist? First and foremost, you need to be a master of data. You'll be analyzing campaigns, tracking metrics like click-through rates and conversion rates, and constantly optimizing for better performance. This requires strong analytical skills. Creativity is also crucial. Writing compelling ad copy that entices users to click is an art. You need to understand your target audience and craft messages that resonate with their needs and desires. Finally, familiarity with PPC advertising platforms is a must. Google Ads and Microsoft Advertising are the giants in this field, and mastering their intricacies is essential for any aspiring PPC specialist. Freelancing offers a flexible and potentially lucrative path for PPC specialists. As a freelancer, you are your own boss. You choose your clients, set your rates, and have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect businesses with freelance talent, including PPC specialists. Building a strong portfolio showcasing your skills and success stories is key to attracting clients. Freelancing offers immense flexibility and earning potential. However, it requires self-discipline, strong organizational skills, and the ability to find and retain clients. Section 4. Agency Life. Joining a PPC Powerhouse. Joining a digital marketing agency that specializes in PPC can provide a structured and supportive environment to learn and grow. These agencies are often at the forefront of digital marketing trends, offering you the chance to work with cutting-edge tools and technologies. You'll be surrounded by like-minded professionals who are passionate about PPC and eager to share their knowledge. Agencies often work with a diverse portfolio of clients, exposing you to various industries and campaign types. This diversity not only broadens your experience but also enhances your problem-solving skills as you adapt strategies to meet different client needs. You'll gain insights into various market dynamics and consumer behaviors, making you a more versatile marketer. Working in a team environment allows you to learn from experienced professionals, share knowledge, and collaborate on challenging projects. Mentorship is a key component of agency life, with senior team members guiding you through complex campaigns and helping you refine your skills. Collaboration fosters creativity, leading to innovative solutions and successful outcomes. Agencies also provide opportunities for career advancement, with clear paths for growth within the organization. Regular performance reviews and feedback sessions help you stay on track with your career goals. As you demonstrate your capabilities, you'll have the chance to take on more responsibilities and move up the ranks, potentially leading your own team or managing major client accounts. However, agency life can be demanding, with tight deadlines and pressure to deliver results. The fast-paced environment requires you to be highly organized and efficient. Balancing multiple projects and meeting client expectations can be challenging, but it also hones your time management and prioritization skills. It's important to be adaptable, a strong communicator, and able to work effectively as part of a team. Flexibility and resilience are key traits for thriving in an agency setting. Being able to pivot quickly and communicate clearly with both clients and colleagues ensures that projects run smoothly and goals are met. Teamwork and collaboration are the cornerstones of success in a PPC powerhouse. Section 5. Building your own PPC empire. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit, starting your own PPC agency offers the ultimate freedom and earning potential. You have the autonomy to build your own brand, set your own rates, and choose the clients you want to work with. However, starting your own business requires significant upfront investment, business acumen, and the ability to wear multiple hats. You'll be responsible for everything from finding clients and managing projects to handling finances and marketing your services. Section 6. Tips for aspiring PPC professionals. Here are some practical tips for those just starting their journey as PPC specialists. Whether you're new to the field or looking to refine your skills, these insights will help you navigate the complexities of pay-per-click advertising. Master the basics. Get a solid understanding of PPC fundamentals, including keyword research, ad copywriting, landing page optimization, and campaign tracking. These core skills are the foundation upon which successful campaigns are built. Spend time learning how to identify the right keywords, craft compelling ad copy, and create landing pages that convert. Get certified. Obtaining certifications like Google Ads certification demonstrates your expertise to potential clients or employers. Certifications not only validate your skills but also keep you updated with the latest tools and techniques in the industry. They can be a significant differentiator in a competitive job market. Build your portfolio. Start with small projects, even if it means offering your services for free initially, to gain experience and build a portfolio showcasing your skills. A strong portfolio is crucial for attracting clients and employers. Document your successes and learn from each campaign to continuously improve. Stay updated. The world of PPC is constantly evolving. Stay up to date with the latest trends, algorithm changes, and best practices by following industry blogs, attending webinars, and participating in online communities. Engaging with other professionals and thought leaders can provide valuable insights and keep you ahead of the curve. Continuous learning is key to long-term success in PPC. Section 7. The future is bright for PPC experts. The future of PPC is bright. As more businesses shift their advertising budgets online, the demand for skilled PPC specialists will continue to rise. Salaries for PPC specialists vary depending on experience, location, and employer. However, it's a field with high earning potential. With the right skills, dedication, and a passion for digital marketing, a career in PPC can be both financially rewarding and intellectually stimulating.